Hey guys, my mom is doing her makeup. I really like it. And whenever I grow up, she will teach me how to do makeup. Okay, back to the video. I'm in mom's bed just with my mom's headphones looking at her video. So many videos of her doing makeup and her finishing makeups. And it's so cute. And she's doing that because, let me see. She's doing that because for people that do not know how to do makeup. So yeah, she's doing that because to show people how to do makeup. Because some people do not know how to do makeup. So she's just showing people how to do makeup by making makeup videos. And I know that this video that I'm making is very long. Okay? Okay, bye guys. Wait, guys,
Hey makeup lovers, I really have the funniest kids in the world. I hope you guys enjoyed that entertaining intro. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I show you all how to do your makeup. I am beginner friendly. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be using a few different shades of purple to help me get an ombre eyeshadow look. Right now I'm prepping my face using the Maybelline Master Primer. I like my primer to go on nice and smooth. I also like to fan it just so I can set it a little bit. Today I'll be using my MAC foundation in NC45. I am applying this on pretty lightly with my brush. I want to make sure that I have the coverage that I need for today. I don't want to do too much and I also don't want to do too little. I would normally use a beauty blender, but today I'm using this soft brush and it really is going on exactly how I thought it would, which is a good thing today. We are in a new season, the summer months, so make sure that you do have the correct foundation shade. Sometimes you may have to go a shade or two lighter or a shade or two darker depending on what season it is. So just reevaluate that and think about that the next time that you're picking out your foundation for the day. If you have not already, please like, subscribe, and comment on this video if you have any questions. Go check out my other videos that I have posted here on YouTube and on TikTok. You can follow me on each platform, YouTube and TikTok, at Miss Ebony. And watch all of my makeup videos if you need some help, if you need a new technique. Drop a comment and I'll post a video about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial for today. Again, I am doing a purple ombre eyeshadow look. If you want to know how to do that, stay tuned. Okay, makeup lovers, it's time to prep eyes. I'm using a light colored concealer and blending it. The key to having really pretty eyeshadow is making sure that you have a really smooth base. Prepping your eyelids is important when you'll be using colorful eyeshadow. All right, makeup lovers. So now you see me just blending, blending, blending. I used the Crayon Case Big Box of 64 palette. I used the eyeshadow shades LaSalle, St. James, and St. Landry. When you're using multiple eyeshadow colors, lightly blend each shade into one another. And that's how you create your ombre eyeshadow.